Hi ma'am, congratulations on your well-deserved retirement. Enjoy every minute of it. Wala nang stress, enjoy mo lang. Continue to live, love, and love. I love you.
Hi Ma'am Arlene, happy retirement po sa iyo. Salamat po sa lahat ng tulong mo sa branch namin. Lahat ng calls po namin talagang sinasagot mo ma'am. Ngayong magre-retire ka na, wini-wish po namin na maging masaya ka palagi. Happy retirement ma'am. God bless you. Good health. Enjoy po bawat oras ng retirement mo. Pwede ka nang maglagalag. Happy retirement again Ma'am Arlene. Thank you so much again.
Hi Ma'am Arlene! Retired ka na ba? Totoo na ba yan? Ano ba yan? Ang bilis! Ako din. Magkumustahan tayo magparamdam ka rin. Dalo ka sa amin, ha? Okay, bye. Congrats, bye-bye. See you!
Happy retirement, Ma'am Arlene! So, ayan. Hi, Ma'am Arlene. Ako to si Marvin.
Hi, I'm Tom.
Sa mga dati mong babies sa RBS, I mean sa infrastructure. We just, miss you so much, and we're just so happy na, it's your retirement day, and then you get to spend with your colleagues, your family. Wala ka na sa corporate world, and then you get the chance to, spend your time with your family, more vacation. I'm so happy that, just relax, and then walang mga reports and all. I'm so happy for you, and I'm so also blessed that I got the chance to work with you, Miss Arlene. And yeah, I'm just so happy that makakapag-relax ka na more time with your, of course, with your family. I'm just so happy. Love you, Ma'am Arlene. I miss you, and we'll see you soon.
Hello, Ma'am Arlene. Sana sa darating mong retirement, ayun, mas marami ka ng time para sa sarili mo, para sa pamilya mo. And at the same time, lalo ka ng fresh uli. Ayan. So, Ma'am Arlene, good health lang ang dinarasal namin. And ayun.
I'm so sorry, Ma'am Arlene, kasi hindi ako makapunta sa retirement.
Tayo.
Yeah, hindi kami makapunta actually. Kasi I have my personal errands, and but I look forward na makita tayo ulit kahit saan, anytime, on the go lang ako, and just invite me whatever you're, I'm just gonna just see you around rather, this is not a goodbye, but I'll just see you around. Love you, Ma'am Arlene.
And sa akin naman, may utang pa naman ako sa iyo, Ma'am Arlene. Alam mo na yung utang ko, ibibigay ko sa iyo sa Monday. Bye!
And then, Ma'am Arlene, pabili ng t-shirt. Sorry. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
So, ayan, this is your, I think, ano?
Ako muna. Ika,
Hindi ako naman. Ulit.
Hindi, okay lang. Kinakat naman kasi yun lang.
Ma'am Arlene, pwedeng message mo kasi magpapa-order ako ng tissue. Papa-deliver ko na lang, okay? Bye-bye!
Ma'am Arlene, talagang lahat ng may simula, may katapusan. Binabati ko kayo sa inyong retirement, at sana po ay palaring kayo at biyayaan pa kayo ng mahabang buhay ng Panginoon Diyos. Good luck, ma'am. Salamat po.
Ma'am Arlene, maraming salamat sa lahat ng naitulong mo sa amin. Sana pagpalain kayo at naway maging masaya ang inyong buhay pagkatapos ng pagtatrabaho ng matagal na pagkakataon. Maraming salamat. Good luck.
Ma'am Arlene, congrats! Sa awa ng Diyos, patapos na ang iyong karera. At ikay, milyonaryo na.
Nakawala na sa...
Nakawala na sa
sumpa.
na. Sa amin, papunta pa lang kami.
Good luck. Good luck.
Good luck, good luck.
Okay.
Ma'am Arlene, happy retirement!
And wishing you advance happy birthday.
Enjoy the well-deserved rest.
Relaxation, and new experiences that await.
May your retirement be filled with long walks. Love, love, love!
Arlene, happy retirement, finally. I can't believe it's been 4 years since I myself retired. I hope you enjoy your retirement. It is fun. It is a totally new journey for you, but if you are with the people you love and you're doing what you love, you have to find a hobby to keep you busy and consider this a time to go back to the Lord.
Hi, Ma'am Marlene. Congratulations sa iyong retirement. Sa wakas, ito na talaga siya. Totoong-totoo na. Wishing you all the best. And enjoy your retirement. Travel na lang. Balik Canada na ba? Kita-kits tayo pag nakabalik kayong Canada. Dalaw naman sa Alberta. Mag-bump tayo. Again, congratulations, Ma'am Marlene. Bye!
First and foremost, I want to send my warmest regards to the men and women of Infrastructure Division and send my congratulations and best wishes to Arlene on her retirement. You have made such a positive impact to the group, especially during our times, and to everyone around you. I just wish you the best in the next chapter of your life. And I guess I'll see you here in Canada. Congratulations again.
Hello, Arlene. Congratulations on your graduation from stress, deadlines, and pressures. Enjoy your retirement and advance happy birthday. Hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Arlene! O yan ha, dalawa pa kami. Boss Cesar, happy birthday and welcome to the 35th year in PNB. Okay, bye!
Hi Ma'am Arlene, parang kailan lang kakasama tayo sa RBS Infrastructure and masasabi ko na isa yun sa pinakamasayang part ng pagiging Finla banker ko. I wish Ma'am Arlene na maging happy ka ngayon, na mag-retire ka na, enjoy mo lang, hindi ka na kailangan gumising ng maaga. Thank you Ma'am for being there lagi. Pag kailangan ko ng mga advices, pag kailangan ko ng mapagkukwentuhan, especially yung mga topic natin about Canada. Thank you so much Ma'am. Take care always Ma'am. And pasensya na po, hindi ako nakapunta dyan, hindi ako kasama to join you. Kasi pagkagaling ko sa sakit, medyo yung office ko. Maraming salamat Ma'am sa lahat. Take care always and be safe. We love you.
Nagkawalandan ha.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Congratulations on your retirement, Miss Arlene. Your dedication and grace have truly inspired us all.
We'll truly miss your presence, your laughter, and the way you make work feel like family.
Wishing you a retirement filled with peace, joy, and all the things you've been dreaming of. You deserve every bit of it. Again, maraming salamat. Happy retirement until we meet again.
Hi Ma'am Marlene, happy retirement po and salamat po sa lahat ng pagkakataon na nagkasama tayo sa lalo na sa ating infrastructure division. Ako'y natutuwa na you have decided to retire na for good. So enjoy your life, enjoy time with your family, travel pag may pagkakataon. So lahat naman tayo papunta naman sa retirement siguro baka mauna ka lang and of course magkikita pa rin naman tayo. Maraming salamat sa inyo Ma'am Arlene and of course take care always. Bye bye.
Hi, Mommy. Happy retirement. I know na you worked really hard all these years. So now I hope na mas marami ka ng time to explore your hobbies and yung mga hindi mo nagawa masyado when you were working. now that you have more time, you can spend more time din sa Bulacan with Daddy.
Yeah, and we have more time to travel. So, see you soon in Canada again, and mag-travel pa tayo ng Japan. Exciting.
Yeah.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.
Punta ako din.
Hello, Mommy. Happy retirement. You work so hard. Now, the best is yet to come. Wishing you endless fun, relaxation, and exciting new adventures ahead. Alam ko may mga naka-schedule ka na. See you. Mwah.